The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, ground attack and dummy aviation, as well as artillery of the Zapad group of forces, inflicted a fire damage on manpower and military equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Dvorechnaya, Peshchanoye and Masyutovka in Kharkov region. In addition, actions of 3 sabotage and reconnaissance groups of the armed forces of Ukraine were thwarted near Novoselovskoye, Artyomovka in Lugansk People's Republic and Pershotravnevoye in Kharkov region. More than 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles and 1 US-made AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery radar station have been destroyed during the day. Moreover, today, at about 8:30 am, the units of the State Border Guard of the Western Military District, together with a Guard unit of the Border Guard Department of the Federal Security Service of the Russian Federation in Bryansk region, have prevented an attempt of a sabotage and reconnaissance group of over 15 militants to intrude into the Russian Federation territory near Sluchayevsk in Bryansk region. Artillery fire of the Western Military District units defeated the enemy. The sabotage group was scattered and forced to retreat back to the Ukrainian territory, suffering losses. Russian personnel suffered no losses. In the Krasny Liman direction, Russian artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center group of forces hit units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Chervonaya Dibrova and Chernopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 80 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer, 1 Nona self-propelled system, as well as D-20 and D-30 howitzers were neutralized. In total, 406 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,684 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,554 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,515 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,319 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine, in a statement said Russia lost 480 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles as well as 8 artillery units and 4 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 177,110 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,633 tanks, 7,016 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters, 292 helicopters, and 2,291 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 407 days. There is still no peace agreements between 2 sides. Ukraine also shows footage of the gunners. They are now ready to fire using British AS-90 artillery weapons systems. The second group of Ukrainian gunners is completing training on the formidable 155mm AS-90 self-propelled gun. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky met his cabinet after visiting Poland. Today, I'm already in Ukraine, in Kyiv, here, on bank over the whole day. A day of internal meetings and preparations for events planned for the coming weeks, Zelensky said.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. Сьогодні увесь день вже в Україні, в Києві, тут, на Банковій. День внутрішніх нарад та підготовки до заходів, які заплановані на найближчі тижні. Провів нараду з главою уряду, Шмигалем.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.